another episode of balloon tutorial video. So today's video is we are going to make another balloon bouquet or balloon marquee, but this time it will be a different theme. So this will be again for a client, and it's for a 6th birthday with an LOL theme. Okay, but before that, guys, I would like to ask you to follow us on our Instagram. It's Alyson's.partyballoons, and on our Facebook page is at Alyson's Party Balloons. So yeah, let's go ahead, guys, and check out the supplies that we'll be using for this video. Here are the supplies that we are going to use for this balloon bouquet. So as I have mentioned, we are going to do an LOL surprise theme. So yeah, so we have a super shape foil balloon, the LOL Diva, and fuchsia number 6 foil balloon. It's from Anagram. And so these are the color combination of latex balloons that I will be going to use for this video. And so yeah, we have the turquoise. These are all the regular size, the 12-inch latex balloons, the turquoise, black, white, of course the fuchsia pink, and then a little bit of this purple or the lavender colors. And then I am also going to use this zebra printed latex balloons. This as you notice, I only have 3, so it will only this will only be a little accent to the arrangement. So all the same with the 5 inches latex balloons, we have the same color, but I only have this chrome purple. This is the chrome purple to accent also mini foil balloon stars. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them, but we'll see later. What else? So I have the yarn to do the base. I also have, as always, I also have my balloon bond, my stretchy tape, and I also have a glue dots just in case I will be needing some. And as you all know that I always use the 260Q, I already cut this in half to attach all my smaller balloons. Yeah, I think that's it. And then we have our electric pump and hand pump. And we also have our water weight. I have 2 water weights. Okay, so first we are going to inflate our base, all the balloons. For our base, I have here the 11-inch in size. So what I'm gonna do is to inflate this with about 9 to 10 inches big. And then I am also going to inflate all my foil balloons that I will be using, and as well as the 5 inches. So for the 5 inches, I am going to inflate them for about 3 inches in size.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. a second, I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so for our base, I have here 3 sets of this quad. Um, this is the 9 or 10 inches in size, so I have 3 sets of this. And then I also have 3 sets of this 6 inches in size. And then 2 sets of this 3 inches size to place it on both end of the base. So I'm just gonna use my yarn or my string to tie it on my first cluster. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my second cluster, which is the 6 inches in size. So I'll do this. There, and then I am going to attach this 3 inches. There.
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list, and you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience. Because now I'm unresponsive. Oh, but call your mother, tell her you love her. This might be it for you. Run through the fire, I'll walk the wire. chest as you watch me bleed.
Now what I'm gonna do is to use my balloon bond to attach both of our foil balloons. So yeah, I just cut a little piece from the balloon bond, and then I'm just gonna attach it and see where we can maybe like this. Okay, so there. So I have attached our foil balloons over there. So what I am going to do next is now to fill in these spaces over here. Fill up the spaces here with your 5 inches latex balloons and maybe our few mini foil stars over here.
Survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. One worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. That's my bed for you. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, out of the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you.
Okay guys, so this is our final look of our LOL surprise themed balloon bouquet. As always, I like to detail the balloon bouquet with a bunch of helium-filled latex balloons. And yeah, and that happy birthday round foil balloon as well. Okay guys, so yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please comment down below for if you wanted to suggest more balloon themes of this arrangement, of this type of arrangement. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more balloon videos. Bye! See you guys on our next video.
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list. better